Just waking up from a nice dream. Bitcoin pumping on a live stream. Smile shine brighter than a high beam. Never seen live trading on a widescreen. Bitcoin showing you the steps to own it. We got the alpha, I bet you want it. I'm having fun, send a lecture on it. Randy, put a little extra on it.
It's mutable and decentralized. No censorship or hard cap supply. It's open source and we classify the blockchain secure, and that's exactly why. It's hard money with a new plan. It bounced a lot like this new jam. The Bitcoin dipped and we ain't gon' trip. I'ma be bullish on you, fam.
I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. 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 I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it.
This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. At Vacation Genie, we believe digital currencies are meant to do more than just sit in your wallet. They're meant to take you places. We want to help you step into the future of cryptocurrency spending, as travel is one of the top categories for spending your crypto. It provides you with the best ROI, lasting memories. Make sure to check out Vacation Genie today. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Wednesday. We are officially midweek, and I am very happy about that. Happy midweek, everybody. All right, guys, we have a lot going on, including a midweek after show that is going live once we conclude this stream. So please, if you have not yet become a member of the channel, get into the after show. We have a lot that's going on today. I might be doing a very high profile interview today. It's going to be a short one, probably pre-recorded, because this person is very well known and maybe gonna play a major role in this country. So I know that sounds crazy. That might sound crazy, but I'm in communication. That's why I was 5 minutes late, because I was like, I need to make sure this is locked in. So this afternoon, I might be doing a big high profile interview, and I will put it out either, if it depends if I can edit it today, but if not, by tomorrow. Oh boy, things are getting spicy out here, y'all. We have a lot to chat about when it comes to crypto. Oh my gosh, we have outflows, we have price predictions. Are we going to be okay? We also have Canada. We have Europe, tokenized stocks in Europe, thanks to Ondo. Societe Generale might be doing some tokenization and tokenizing stocks within the United States. And then we also have Donnie T having a lot of world leaders at the White House yesterday. Also, a lot of high profile people like Tim Cook, Elon Musk. If you want to dive into that, we can. I'm not sure if you guys want to dive into that. We do have New Hampshire with some Bitcoin news. What else we got? We got Kraken. And then for our spotlight is going to be the fact that we might have some crypto regulation coming by December. So what is that? What's going to happen? I'll fill you in. That's our spotlight. And then we have our coins to watch. So if you're ready for the Zest, the news, the education, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share this out with friends so more people know what's going on here. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers, a subscriber goal today of 24,460 subs. Let's get 4 more for the stream. I know that's a low count, but we'll do what we can. But yeah, we're gonna get after it. A lot of people are all worried because Bitcoin is 91K. It's gonna be okay, guys. It's literally going to be okay. I can promise you that. I'm so excited for today. I literally got the most bombastic email this morning, so I love that. We're gonna say good morning to everyone. Before we get into the show, please make sure you smash the like, subscribe, and share, and say good morning to me as I say good morning to you, and check out our 3 lovely sponsors, including Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off, and then head over to Vacation Genie and book your cruise with crypto, because we love our sponsors. Yay! All right, let's say good morning to everybody in the chat. Letters, good morning, nice to see you. Got Silver Back, Silver Days, Mama Shadow, some backup, JC, Jesse, Joe Harvey, as always, thank you to Black Hat. We got Doge Bull, David Bulls, good morning. Elric is here, Lasers, good morning. Who else is here? John Legend has all his emojis. Daniel Croft is here, nice to see you. Welcome. Crypto Surfer is here, always good to see you, my friend. Flat Earth Currency, what's up? Let's see. Geo Christo, nice to see you on X. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We've been having a lot of people hang out on X recently, right? Mike Mazzone, Yukio is over there as well. Welcome, everybody. Mr. Flex, pieces everywhere. Sending Zoom link through. Okay, hold on. I got to do this real quick. M2, good morning. Elliot, good morning. Nice to see you. Been a minute since you've been here. Thank you. I appreciate you stopping by once again. Wrong again. Nice to see you. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Morning. Mark Smithson. Everyone. Good morning. Bulldog Eric. Bobby F is here. Everyone is here. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Like I mentioned, today is going to be a very interesting day. I have to send a Zoom link to this person to lock in this interview. So just give me a minute. Hold on. Zoom link. Let's copy. Okay. Join meeting. All right. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Your girl's doing a lot right now. Sure thing. Let's paste. Okay. Okay. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Interview secured, everybody. Let's go. We love that. We love scheduling things while we're still live. Thank you, Israel. Nice to see you. Christopher, good morning. John White, good morning. Hello. Thank you guys for being here. All right, guys, if you guys are excited for this interview, smash like. Also, I do have bagels for y'all. I do have bagels. All right, let's get into it. Sorry, guys. Sorry. We're scheduling high-profile people. We have the market overview. Starknet up 38%. AB is up that 14%. Zcash rebounding finally. We have MYX that is up that 32% today. Monero down here in the corner down 5%. Decred down about 10%, looking like one of our biggest losers today. Looking at the overall market, because that's what we do in life, and we look at Bitcoin. $91,556 Bitcoin. We are down 1.45%. We are looking at our bearish scenario now. Again, looking below that 91K, where we're looking at 76K, 75, 76. I really would like to go here, hold support. Because again, Saylor's average purchasing price for Bitcoin is 74. So if we go right even close to that, people are going to capitulate. They're going to lose their minds. People are going to be thrown for the loop of a century. And for that, you know what? Maybe people need to be tortured a little bit. But I do think that holding 91 would be the most ideal scenario. You go back up, test the 200-day SMA at 110. Right now, the 200-day SMA is just about 20% away, which for Bitcoin isn't bad because, again, we have made up a lot of ground here. So I feel like we have some room to rebound. Looking over here at Bitcoin, we were feeling some green dot energy. Today, we got that green dot energy, and hopefully that does confirm. It plays out, goes over that zero line, and we have a heyday. Though we do have the money flow that is deep in the trenches. Again, looking back in time, it's the lowest in September of 2023, which was also giving bottom signal energy. Now, we do have the VWAP that is pushing above that zero line. That is a very bullish indicator if it goes up and with confidence. So this might be the start of the rebound. Oversold on the RSI, you know what that means. When you're oversold, the likelihood of an incoming uptrend increases. So you do want to make sure that you are watching out for this. I think this is a great bottom signal as well, being oversold. Send it to oversold. Let everyone capitulate, let everyone cry like little babies. And then when Bitcoin goes back up, we could say that we've been here, we've been DCAing the whole time. So I am very bullish. I am very, very bullish. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate it. Like I said, you guys know that I just booked a pretty high-profile interview. I really didn't tell you guys who it is yet, but I am very excited for it. So please make sure you guys go ahead and smash a like and get ready for this interview. Am I going to do a haircut before Dubai? That's a great question. You guys know me way too well because, yes, I already scheduled one like a month ago. And I will be getting my haircut, I think, on Sunday. What's Sunday's date? 23rd. Yep. I'm going to go get a haircut on Sunday, so don't worry. I won't take time off because my hairstylist was like, she gave me every time in the world that was between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m., which is when I do this podcast. So I was like, can't do this, girl. So I have to go to do an early service on Sunday at 8 a.m. so that way I could get to my hair appointment in time. But I am very excited, and we are going to keep getting into it. A lot of people are betting bullish or bearish right now. People are in max fear. They don't know where to go, where to look. Do you think the next step for Bitcoin is 140K or 85? Put a one or a yes emoji if you believe we are going to go to the moon and go to 140K is the bottom in. Or are we going to go below 90? Two or no emoji. Let me know. But yeah, we are going to get a haircut. We are going to get a haircut, guys. I'm super excited for it because I think my hair is too long and too straggly right now. Too straggly. Let's get into international headlines before we skew back into the United States and we get way off topic with my haircut.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.
Pump the
You're
likes,
welcome.
otherwise no G comes after you. Thumbs up emoji.
I'll agree with that, Jesse. No will come after you. We love no on this channel. Okay, guys, we have breaking news headlines. Sip your coffees. Cheers. Let's get after it. Oh, Canada. Oh, sorry. You caught me. Canada, we're professional. Canada approves a budget that advances stablecoins and policies for stablecoins. I don't know what goes on with the politician mindset in Canada. They're very controlling, to say the least. Let's take a gander at what they think about stablecoins, shall we? Canada's government managed to pass a federal budget in Parliament that would, among many other things, institute a stablecoin policy. You know what? I know somebody that works for the Parliament of Canada. I think I'm going to hit them up. Parliament narrowly passed Prime Minister Mark Carney's first budget on Monday evening, deep in the lengthy document in a section that would govern the issuance of stablecoins overseen by the Bank of Canada. There remain other procedural hurdles for the budget-specific provisions, but this marked a major win for the new government. In an echo of many of the points from the recent U.S. law regulating issuers of the U.S.-backed dollar stablecoins, issuers in Canada must maintain a one-to-one reserve composed exclusively of the reference currency or other high-quality liquid assets, allow immediate redemptions, and meet a suite of requirements on risk management, cybersecurity disclosures, and the management in times of failure. The Bank of Canada will supervise and maintain the registry of approved applicants. And so non-bank stablecoin issuers can't be allowed under this policy. So again, this is all about the banks and greenlighting them to basically do whatever they want and create central bank digital currency lights. And I don't really appreciate that. However, it is telling you that dollar stablecoins are very dominant though, because they're saying if there are like US dollar stablecoins, issuers of US dollar stablecoins in Canada, they have to maintain a 1-to-1 reserves of the dollar or other high quality assets. So I'm telling you right now, like dollar stablecoins are going to take over. And it's the best way that the United States can maintain dollar dominance throughout the world and remain an economic powerhouse is through stablecoins and through Bitcoin. You cannot tell me otherwise because that proves it. And Canada is going to be what, our 51st state? Oh, we love that. I have a lot of imposters trying to contact you. I know, which is why you got to block them all. Block them. It ain't me, and you know it. But unfortunately, I can't stop them. Instagram does a really good job of wiping them out, but TikTok does not. So I'm sorry about that, Bulldog. I hope things get better over there. For the imposter problem. I have people like family, friends sending me, oh, you just followed me on TikTok. I was like, I didn't, but I appreciate your love. Anyway, let's look at Ondo. Ondo is winning over in Europe. They got approval for tokenizing stocks over in Europe. And this is what needs to happen in the United States, but we are slow. Wall Street is not going to give up their power. Ondo Global Markets, a US-based tokenization platform, received regulatory approval to offer tokenized stocks to European investors. The Liechtenstein Financial Market Authority, the FMA, granted Ondo approval to launch their tokenized stocks and ETFs in the European Union and the broader European Economic Area, the EEA, according to the company announcement, saying with this milestone, more than 500 million investors in 30 European countries can soon access regulated crypto exposure to U.S. markets directly on chain. This came a few weeks after Ondo partnered with Bauer Stuttgart Group in their digital asset arm called BX Digital to enable tokenized stock trading in Switzerland on November 3rd. So this is major. Did I say major news? Ondo is absolutely killing it. And who loves Ondo? Let's rewind. Who loves Ondo? The Donnie T fam. World Liberty Financial. Put the pieces together, friends and family. Put the pieces together. And not only are we going for tokenized stocks in Europe, but also there are other banks, international banks, that are looking to have those tokenized bonds as well. So we have tokenized stocks, tokenized bonds, we have money market funds, we have like everything in the world that is hitting the blockchain. So now we have tokenized bonds from Societe Generale. This is big because, again, they want to do this in the US. And the US, again, has been slow on the ball for a lot of this stuff. So it seems like the international folk are creeping in on us and telling us that we're old, we're slow, and they're going to do it for us, basically. Look at this. Societe Generale's crypto arm SG Forge completed their first blockchain-based digital bond issuance in the United States, expanding their footprint in on-chain capital markets. The short-term bond tied to the secured overnight financing rate, SOFR, or SOFR, was purchased by the trading firm DRW. Now, this bond runs on Canton Network, a privacy-enabled blockchain infrastructure developed by Digital Asset. Canton allows instant settlement while preserving the legal structure of TradFi. Broadridge Financial Solutions provided the tokenization tech, marking the first time its new platform has been used for live securities issuance. So while it was said to be active in digital asset bonds in Europe since 2019, this transaction opens the doors again to the US, and it could eventually lead to on-chain issuance of more complex products such as structured notes, according to the banks. They're saying the global head of DRW's crypto arm, Cumberland, says the issuance of these landmark digital bonds is an important step toward building the future of finance. Yeah, international folk are coming and doing it in the US because we are slow. We're very slow here. And I really hope we start to pick up, especially because who I might be speaking to today for a very beautiful high-profile interview, maybe very bullish on crypto as a politician in the United States, so I am very excited to hear from her and what she has to say. Ooh, just the gender gave away some hints. I want to know, who do you guys think I'm interviewing? I don't know if you guys would even expect it. I've spoken about her before, but she's spicy. She's a spicy woman in Washington, and I enjoy her a lot. So I really wanted to know, like, who do you think I'm interviewing today? Put your guesses in the chat. Put your guesses in the chat. This might be fun, because I don't know if you guys are going to guess it. Going back to the United States, though, we have a few things going on here with Bitcoin, crypto things. Okay, well, you know what? Yeah, let's start off in New Hampshire. New Hampshire approved a first of its kind $100 million Bitcoin-backed municipal bond. New Hampshire has approved the issuance of a $100 million municipal bond backed by Bitcoin in what appears to be the first structure of its kind at the state level. Minutes from a November 17th meeting of the New Hampshire Business Finance Authority, the BFA, the state's business financing agency, show the board planned to, quote, consider approving resolution authorizing up to $100 million bonds for a project to acquire and hold digital currency. So minutes from the following day record that directors voted to approve the preliminary official intent with no reservation to issue a taxable conduit revenue bond for the Wave Rose Depositor LLC of up to $100 million. And so according to a Wednesday Crypto in America report, so that's Eleanor Terrett, we love her, the bond is backed by Bitcoin and would let companies borrow against over-collateralized Bitcoin held by a private custodian. So the state or taxpayers do not back the bond, but instead it's the BFA approving it and overseeing a private deal, while Bitcoin, reportedly held in custody by BitGo, covers investors. You know how BitGo just constantly gets in there. That is wild. BitGo is a major player. I would love to see BitGo go public in the United States, because if they did, holy freaking wow. The amount of money they handle, the amount of deals they do, I think that would just be stupid crazy. If BitGo went public, can they even go public? I don't know. But I feel like if they were a stock, they'd do well. Raul Paul, Anna Paulina Luna. You know what? I would love to speak to Anna Paulina Anna Paulina Luna. I heard she's spicy. And she's not that far from me either. I think she's pretty local. But yeah, no, that's not who I'm speaking to. No one's guessing it. Holy shoot. No one's guessing it. Ooh, keep guessing, guys. Keep guessing. Alex Collingmore, nice to see you. I was surprised no one got it so far because I think this woman's very spicy. I'm really surprised no one's gotten it so far. I'll tell you guys after the interview is over. I think I'm gonna keep it for like a major surprise. And you guys are just going to see it on the timeline. Megyn Kelly, no. This is a politician. Like, this is someone that serves the country now and is looking to do different things very soon. Like, running for something right now. Like, this is getting spicy, y'all. This is, like, getting really spicy. I don't think you guys, like... When is the interview? So, basically, I was speaking to her team today. It has to be a very, very short interview. And so it's not going to be long. It's probably going to be upwards of 20 minutes. So it's not going to be a long one, which is why I'm going to pre-record it. And I'm going to put it on the internet. So I'll pre-record it, post the interview on X, YouTube, everywhere that allows it. I think TikTok goes up to 10 minutes. So probably YouTube, Rumble, X. Yeah, that's probably where I'm going to post it. Because I think people need to see it. But surprisingly, still no one has gotten it. No one has gotten it in the chat. Wow. But the interview's today. I'm going to be doing it this afternoon. So I got the email this morning. I'm going to do it this afternoon. It was a little bit of a last minute thing, but I'm very excited for it because I've been asking for a while. This is a politician, guys. Politician. So no one from crypto. Not AOC. I don't think AOC wants any part of me. Although I think AOC and I would like get along, even though we're kind of opposite in a lot of ways. I would freaking love to have a conversation with AOC. I would love to. She gives me like, I actually like think she's so entertaining and wild. I want to just like know what goes on in this woman's head. She's crazy. Because, oh girl, baby girl.
Oh girl, baby girl. Don't even play.
Oh girl, baby girl. Don't even play. What time is it? 22 minutes. Okay, we're running on some good time here. Let's chat about Kraken, guys, before we get into like more political things that are going on in the United States. We have Kraken scoring $800 million, and we might see an IPO. I need to see a Kraken IPO. I'm telling you. Crypto exchange Kraken raised $800 million in fresh funding, including $200 million because there's no way it's $200, from Citadel Securities to accelerate their efforts to bring TradFi markets onto blockchain infrastructure. We need a IPO. The round was split across two tranches, with one led by institutional investors, including Jane Street, DRW Venture Capital, HSG, Oppenheimer Alternative Investment Management, and Tribe Capital. A follow-on $200 million investment came from the market-making giant Citadel Securities, valuing Kraken at $20 billion, which is wild. Kraken's been around since 2011. Kraken's co-CEO says, our focus has always been straightforward, creating a platform where anyone can trade any asset, anytime, anywhere. And this also goes to show that I think I don't think Kraken got into it yet. I think they did. Hold on. Kraken. Maybe am I thinking about the wrong exchange? I don't think so. Yeah, tokenized stocks and ETFs. See, I was right. See, Kraken is already on it, bro, because Kraken already has like tokenized stocks, tokenized ETFs. Oh, word. We love that. We absolutely love that. Yeah, shout out to Kraken. They're really on it. I hope they do well. We also have Donnie T yesterday having a major dinner with major political figures, people from Saudi Arabia. Elon was there. So this was a clip that Elon and Donnie T made up. It's only 5 seconds. Look, Donnie T comes in the room. Donnie T comes in the room. He gives his boy a little pat. Hey, Elon, what's up, guy? Bestie, what up? So they are friends again. Elon looked like a little happy camper being in the White House yesterday. So shout out to Elon and Donnie T. They're friends again. That's good for the country. Shout out to Elliot Locke. Thank you for becoming a member of the Zesty fam. Keep note, guys. Follow his lead. If you follow his lead, what do you get? Cool emojis, access to the Discord after show. Please become a member of the channel. Pretty please. So Elon and Trumpy made up, so that's good. Although not everyone's happy with Donnie T, and that includes our favorite Liz Warren. I was going to say a bad word. We don't do that on this channel. But Liz Warren is putting the pressure on Donnie T. We also might have some crypto regulation by December. What is it? What's happening? Our spotlight starts now. What we're looking forward to right now is the crypto market structure bill, which, of course, there's a lot of pushback from Liz Warren on. Put fire emoji, Liz Warren emoji, because this is absolutely ridiculous. Now, what exactly is going on? Senator Tim Scott is pushing for a December vote on the market structure bill. Oh, Silverback, thank you for the memberships. Thank you. I appreciate that. Senate Banking Committee Chair Tim Scott said he's looking to mark up a crypto market structure bill next month to have it on Donnie T's desk by early next year. He told Fox Business on Tuesday that the committee has been negotiating with Dems to reach a deal, but accused the party senators of stalling efforts. Scott says, next month, we believe we can mark up in both committees and get this to the floor of the Senate early next year so that Donnie T will sign the legislation making America the crypto capital of the world. The House passed the Clarity Act in July, outlining the CFTC and the SEC's power to regulate crypto, and the Senate has been working on their own version of the bill. And so we will see what happens. We know that Brian Armstrong has been very bullish, the CEO of Coinbase, saying that he does think this is going to pass, that he has been pushing, and he has seen a lot of progress. What does Liz Warren have her stuff in a bunch over? Well, she claims that Donnie T has conflicts of interest, and so she's seeking to continue illuminating Donnie T's personal crypto ties. So if you guys didn't know, Liz Warren is the ranking Dem on the Senate Banking Committee and a frequent ally of hers. Senator Jack Reed sent a letter to Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and AG Pam Bondi requesting information on reports that Donnie T's family, their project, World Liberty Financial, sold tokens to North Korea, Russia, and other illicit actors, which is, again, like, this is Liz Warren's MO. Like, she is all about blaming things on other people. Meanwhile, she insider trades, so I think she needs to get investigated before she calls out anybody's conflict of interest, because this is complete corruption. Women, children, she doesn't care about nobody but her own pocket. So let's investigate her first. Second, doesn't this sound familiar when she came after CZ and Binance and said, oh yeah, there's North Koreans that are using Binance to launder funds and fund nuclear wars and whatever. What? And none of that was true, yet CZ went to jail and got pardoned by Donnie T because it was all a lie. So how does she go and say that Donnie T's family is selling tokens to North Korea, Russia, and other illicit actors? Give us the proof. Give us the blockchain proof. She still never proved if CZ is a criminal. Because you know what? Nothing's happening and it's propaganda. You know what I would like? I gotta play this for y'all. I really actually have to. We're gonna pause for a minute because we're good on time. I'm Propaganda King Cruff. How does he spell propaganda, this guy? Oh yeah, okay. Got it. Okay. We're gonna play a clip of a song. We're gonna play a clip of a song because I think like whenever I hear anything Liz Warren says, I try to calm myself. Instead of yelling, "This is propaganda, she's lying, she's a liar, she's a liar, she's a liar." I typically go to music to settle my soul, especially King Cruff. King Cruff is Bob Marley's grandson, by the way. I've met him, a great guy. Listen to this.
Feels like propaganda.
Feels like propaganda.
Yeah, bunks on.
So that's it. I hope I don't get copyrighted. That was only 9 seconds. But yeah, this is what I hear in my head. Cause it feels like propaganda. Let's play it again.
Feels like propaganda.
Feels like propaganda. I might have to actually take that second clip and add it to my soundboard. That might have to go to the soundboard.
Feels like propaganda.
Yeah, because propaganda. Anyway, that's propaganda. Propaganda is one of my favorite words because it's so relevant nowadays. Guys, we're getting after it though. We do have coins to watch, so let's jump into our biggest gainers, our losers, and then we'll get into our after show so I can get going with this interview that I have scheduled for a little bit later. Who was that? This is King Cruff. He collaborated with Bunks and Rocks. But King Cruff is amazing. I love this guy. Like, King Cruff is he's a Marley. He's Bob Marley's grandson. I'm also a big fan of Skip Marley as well. I'm a fan of like really all the Marley family. But this song is really good. Like if you guys like listen to the actual lyrics of this song, you would be mind blown. Like you would like the lyricism that they have within the Marley family is priceless. Absolutely priceless. I'm a big person that listens to lyrics. Like when I listen to songs, it's all about the lyricism. Like I need to like connect with the words more than what else is going on. I don't know if that's weird, but like, yeah, that's kind of how my brain works. It's kind of how my brain works. Anyway, let's get into coins to watch. Where's my transition? All right, y'all, we got gainers and losers. Your top 5 gainers today is MYX Finance, up about 27.5%. We have Starknet up 34%, AB up 14%, Zcash up 12%, FET up 4%. As you're smashing the likes, please smash the likes. We do have the top 5 losers today. Decred leading the way, down about 8.5%. Canton down about 2%. Monero down 5%. Celestia down about 6%. Uniswap down 0.13%. Let's take a gander at Ethereum, shall we? $3,000 ETH, just over that $3,031. We are at 2.9% in the red. Yikes. We are battling the 200-day SMA, which we have rejected. We are looking to hold that 3K. Below us is $2,800 ETH. Bullishly, we want to aim for the 200-day SMA at $3,485. We do have a green dot freshly printed yesterday playing out on this momentum. Hopefully it locks in, continues to play out in the best way possible. VWAP is bullish, looking over that zero line, starting to peak. Money flow looks like it's starting to increase as well, so hopefully that is the case. And the RSI was sent all the way down to almost oversold. I still want to tap that oversold. It makes me happy when we do that because I really want to see all the selling pressure go goodbye. Litecoin down 2.7%. Now 2.8, $92.92. Yikes, what is going on? Honestly, it's really not bad. I'm not going to lie to you. But we are looking to hold $91. Bullishly is 98 for Litecoin. Right now, we do have money flow that is looking maybe to have some curvature. We do like having curvature on our money flow. Go over that zero line, have a good time. The momentum is sharply decreasing, though. Looking at the VWAP, this is really what piques my interest. I want to see it fly over that zero line and go bullish. Looking at the RSI, let's take a look at the RSI. We are chopping it up, not even as close to oversold. Like we are almost bullish with the RSI for Litecoin. I'm genuinely impressed by that. Genuinely impressed. Oh my gosh. Can someone on TikTok get rid of the scammer that's in there? Let's see. Yeah, curvature is good, especially on Market Cipher. We like curvature. Curvature is always a good thing. But yeah, guys, we have a lot going on in life, and you know your girl is prepping to go to Dubai. So I just want to remind you that we are going to Binance Blockchain Week. Hold on, Binance Blockchain Week. Is anyone interested in getting a ticket? Just out of curiosity, I want to know what you guys are feeling. But BinanceBlockchainWeek.com. Guys, December 3rd to the 4th in the Coca-Cola Arena in Dubai, Habibi and Habibtis. I will be there. I'm very, 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 did I say very excited? I'm very excited. It is my first real international trip, period. My first international trip for crypto. I believe crypto is going to take us all over the world, guys, and I can't wait to take you with me. So if you are in Dubai, you're close to Dubai, get to Dubai, Habibi, come meet me. I will be walking around this conference harassing every single person. And yeah, you'll see me running around. I'm a little bit crazy. So if you see me, I might be running around with my tripod, doing interviews, have cameras and mics with me. So yeah, get after it with me. It'll be really great to meet you guys. Yeah, CZ and Peter Schiff are going to have like a major debate. I really hope to hang out with my boy CZ. I haven't spoken to CZ directly in a little while. I mean, like, I could chat with him, but like I choose to leave this man alone and not harass him all the time. But I think, when was CZ on our show, guys? Can anyone recount when that was? Was that 2 years ago now? It's been a while. Sorry, guys, I have like allergies. But yeah, I'm very excited. Binance Blockchain Week, guys. Dubai, December 3rd to the 4th. Oh my darn, I'm so excited. Mr. Brad G from Ripple is going to be there. Maybe I could get my hands on a little interview with him. I don't know. Imagine I had to sit down with little Brad G. That would kind of be fun. But yeah, no, I would be really excited to go. I'm going to try to harass every single person that's there. And so if you're a well-known individual and you see me walking around, just know I'm coming at you with an interview, my friend. Just know I'm coming at you. But yeah, man, it's going to be great. So I'm flying in to Dubai. I'm getting there on December 1st. So I am very excited. And I will be there for 2 weeks. Even though the conference is only the 3rd and the 4th, there are going to be other finance conferences as well within those 2 weeks that I am there, which is why I'm staying there longer. So your girl's going to try to get into every TradFi conference, every digital asset conference, everything related to crypto and finance. Your girl's going to get in there. So I might be exploring the world. I've been doing a lot of stuff, and I'm very excited. I'm very excited. No comment on XRP. This group is very half and half. Like, this community loves XRP, or they absolutely hate XRP. Listen, man, I'm here for interviews. I do interviews. I report news. It doesn't really matter what my personal opinion is on any of this stuff, because you watch me to see what is going on in the news and to interview notable people. So whether you like them or not, I will be interviewing people. That's just what my job is. I try to be, a Gen Z journalist. So I do what I could. I do what I could to spread adoption, hear from different people. And that's really why I want to do interviews with a lot of public figures, not just in crypto, but in politics or whatever that may be, because I feel like we could get a different side out of people. Like when I interviewed Sailor or even CZ and all these other people, like, we like to get to the nitty gritty. Like, who are you? Why are you here? Where did you grow up? What got you here? And so I'm very excited to do another interview today, even though it's going to be one of my shorter ones. Usually I go an hour and I ramble with my guests and we get lost in the sauce. I can't really get lost in the sauce with this interview because I'm on limited time today, but I am very much looking forward to getting to know this person a little bit more through this interview and sharing this with everyone else as well. So with that said, yeah, it's good to listen. It's good to pick people's brains. I'm after peace, love, and joy and happiness, and I just try my best to be aligned as best as I could and produce news, give you guys news every single day, and give you guys interviews from people that sometimes you want to hear from. So that's really my goal, and I am very excited to be able to do that. I am very honored to be able to have the opportunity to do these things and that people pay attention to me. So thank you guys for giving me a platform where people listen to me, where you listen to me on a daily basis, so I could go ahead and meet such amazing people and try to change the world one video at a time, one word at a time, one rant at a time, one Satoshi at a time. So I'm very blessed, and I just want to say thank you. Cool Cat Cosmos, nice to see you. I like how you ask questions to get to know the person. Yeah, because you know what? Every interview to me is the same, where people are like, so what's your policy? Oh, how much money you make? Like, honestly, everyone already knows the answers to these questions. Like, I really want to get to know the person. Like, my interviews are more so like hangout conversations than they are interviews. And interviews like, what are you doing? Bah, 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 bah. Like, it ain't really about that. It ain't really about that. It's about getting to know the individual. We're having conversations instead of interviews. Hard to take crypto people seriously when half of them talk about Fartcoin. Listen, bro, I talk about real things on this channel. So if you want someone that actually talks about real things, fundamentals of the space, breaking news headlines, like valuable information, then you can follow me. I don't really talk about any craziness. Like, I'm very by the book. You are blessed, honestly. Thank you, Doug. You know what, man? Like, I really just want to do good for the world. Like, I really just want to do good. That's really what I'm after. I know that, like, none of this is about me, and it's about the world. So I really I really, 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 really want to do good. So with your guys' support, I am able to do good. Why do I call myself a teen? Well, I don't call myself a teen. My name is Randi, and that's everywhere else. But my handle is at missteencrypto because I started this when I was 17. Though, who's to say that the handles won't change? I might change the mold of Randi Hipper. Who knows? Missteencrypto might not last too much longer, guys. I don't know. I'm trying to decide right now if I should keep the handle at missteencrypto. I think I might switch it all. I might change it all, but I have to make sure I have control of both handles so people don't use my name to scam people. So that's been my biggest thing right now. So I'm trying to do a rebrand. I'm trying to do it the right way. Make sure every username is secure. And so that's the goal. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys are the best people in the world. Trust me. And I'm so honored to have you guys here. Michael Cartwright, thank you for 10 memberships. You're a legend. And we're going to continue getting after it. We do have a amazing podcast that I'm filming today. Pre-recorded. I will not be live. It's going to be a pre-recorded interview that I will probably premiere, or I will just upload as a video and see how it goes. But yeah. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Please smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends, become a member of the channel. A bunch of you guys just became members, so now you could go up into Discord and join the members only after show. We're gonna hang in there, so that way I could go ahead and get ready for my interview that I have to do in a little bit. So thank you guys so much. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share this out with friends. Have a beautiful day. Happy Wednesday. See you in Discord right now, and I will upload my interview either today or tomorrow. Bye, babies. Bye. Yay! Oh.